Hey, what's going on? It's Gary Wilson, founder and owner of Get Me Links. I really appreciate you taking this time to place an order with us. It means a lot, and I really hope that we can exceed your expectations and help you get better results where you can absolutely dominate your competition online. So what I want to do in this video is just quickly show you how to order and how to place your order with us, so that it's really simple for you. Okay, so you're going to see at the top here we have single product files. This page is broken into a few sections. We've got single product files, we have the link report audit input form, and we have package files. Okay, so there's 3 different sections to this entire page. So if you've just ordered guest posts, niche edits, or you've ordered tier 2 links or social signals, you can click the corresponding link. Now if you've ordered guest posts and niche edits, you're going to want to probably download 2 files and do those separately. Okay, so you can come into guest posts, and all you need to do is click make a copy. You want to be logged into Google. I have a Google account for this, so you're going to want to make a copy. And inside this sheet, all you're going to do is you're going to fill in your order number, and it's fairly self-explanatory. You're going to tell us if you ordered co.uk guest posts. Most people won't have, so you just say, you just click this little button over here and you say no. Your order number is usually going to be a 4-digit number, so we're just going to assume this is 1111 here. And then any special requirements. This is just if you have any requests or you're discussing anything with the support team. What this does is this allows us to put a little note on your order, just so that we can take that into consideration when we're actually putting the order out for you. And then all you're going to do is you're going to fill out the link data here, so the DR levels of links that you bought, the traffic levels of links that you bought, the word count of the links that you bought. If you bought any tier 2 links for the guest post and you actually want them to go to the guest post here, you can actually include them here. You don't need to create a separate file for that. If you've just ordered tier 2 links, you can obviously come into the individual tier 2s and send them to an existing link. But if you've ordered them for this guest post, you just select on each of these files what you've ordered. Social signals is the same. So you also want to just put in your anchor text and target URL, and if you've ordered multiple links in that link, then you can put in target text 2 and target URL 2. And reverse relevance is something that we allow you to do. That's where you can put in like up to 5 words essentially, where you can we will put that in the title of the guest post that you get back. Okay, all of the details for that are all down here if you have any clarification on any of those points. But once you've essentially filled this out, let's presume your link data is in here. You've ordered 4 links, for example, and you put them in here. What you do is you come to share. You go to change link to, and then you're going to want to click this little button here, and anyone with the link is a viewer, okay? And you're going to want to copy this URL, and what you're going to do is you're going to email us that URL right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to match that up to your order, and we're going to place your order just like that, okay? Very simple. So it's this exact same process for niche edits, solo tier 2s, and social signals. You just want to download the files, and if you have multiple files, obviously just send us an email with multiple links, and we will be able to get your data that way. You need to make sure to share the file just like that, as I've mentioned on there. Okay, so I hope that makes sense to you. The other thing in here as well is the package files. They're exactly the same, but all we've done is we've listed out guest posts and niche edits inside the same packages in there, and you can just essentially click these, and it's the exact same layout as the guest post ordering sheet. If we just show you one quickly, as you can see, you can come in here, and it's all just listed out exactly like this. Okay, so that's how you're going to want to. So you're going to want to basically use our auditing files. The other thing you're going to want to do as well is if you've ordered an audit, you can click this audit link here. And what this is going to take you to is it's going to take you to an input form for the audit, okay? So if you've got an order number for your audit here, you just place the order number in there. You're going to put in your budget for what your links are. Bearing in mind, as we've explained probably in the order page of the audit, there's not like a specific budget you have to have. We're not here to try and sell you links, but the reason why the budget is important is it's going to give us an indication as to how fast you want to do your link building, and it gives a better estimate on what sort of pace to expect in terms of reaching your result. You can spend 1,000 a month in links, or you can spend 10,000 a month in links. It's totally up to you. Just expect the 10,000 a month link to do 10,000 per month in links to do things a lot quicker than 1,000, right? So there's not a right answer to it. It's just what your budget actually is, and it gives us better time estimations inside that audit. That's why we ask for that. So what SERP is your business or keywords in, that's very important. And if any of these are not, if your SERP's not listed here, you just put in other, and you would just put in the other SERP that you're actually in. You're going to put in your target URL, so just go to your website, copy the URL, paste it in there, and then the keyword package of the order. So there's 1, 5, and 10. So based on the number of keywords that you've ordered within the audit, you just select whatever it is. And then within here, you're going to actually place in those keywords, okay? So for example, you might have a best dog toys, and then you're going to actually give us the URL, and then like best dog toys, for example, you're going to give us that as well. So for each keyword, so for example, 5 keywords, I would do this 5 times for each of my different keywords. So it might be best cat toys as well, and then it's going to be best cat toys, etc. So you're going to use your 5 main keywords, and remember to keep them very different. Information's on the product page that you ordered from with information on that, but you're going to want to make sure that the keywords are very different from each other so that you're not we're not hitting the same pages. Separate pages, separate keywords, targeting different areas of your business and target areas of your business. So I hope that was helpful on the submitting order data here. I'm just going to close this. That's all the files in there. You should be able to download those and access those without any issues. If you do have any problems, you can always reach out to us. It's support@getmelinks.com, and you can even ask us questions if you have any questions in relation to placing your order here. Look forward to working with you, and again, I really appreciate you placing the order. Let's get things rolling.